Hey everyone, welcome back into our Monday night edition of Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again talking about the weather. Hope you had yourself a good weekend. Boy, it was chilly. Frigid temperatures, they're going to continue at least through most of this week. Maybe a little bit of relief toward the end of the week. We'll talk more about that in just a little bit. Our photograph night sent in by Jeannie Brooks, Winter Wonderland. You can see why. Nice look at the hoarfrost on the trees there, and that's a beautiful shot with the nice colors. And as always, if you have a photograph to share, send it to photos at ktvf11.com. And here's our almanac for today. As you can see, today's high 5 degrees below zero. The low last night 22 below. The record high 44 in 1916. Record low 41 below in 1969. Sunrise and sunset about 6 hours and 12 minutes. Once again, a reminder, the 5-photo calendar is out. It's free, a good stocking stuffer, and you can find all the different locations by going to our website at webcenter11.com and looking under the lifestyle column there. What's going on in the satellite and radar? Once again, you can see we're looking at lots of showers and rain moving across southeast Alaska, elsewhere across the state. For the most part, clear skies across the interior, just some mid-level clouds. Kind of squeeze a little bit of the precipitation out of there in the form of snow flurry activity, but nothing else going on, so it looks pretty good. On the big map, looks like this. Over southeast Alaska, once again raining from Ketchikan all the way up to Juneau, and then it's turning to snow around the Juneau areas with 33 degrees. Some cool temperatures in Anchorage, only 3 degrees above. That's pretty cold for them. Kodiak, 23, partly cloudy skies. Cloudy skies at Cold Bay, up and down the west coast. Lots of sunshine until you get to Nome, then clouds increase once again. 5 below at Barrow, and Fort Yukon, 2 degrees below zero. Lower 48 weather, a lot to talk about. This storm system here really cranking up and becoming a major winter storm with blizzard conditions expected in Denver tonight, 12 to 18 inches of snow. Out ahead of it, strong to severe thunderstorms moving out, and another system moving across the Pacific Northwest, bringing with it quite a bit of weather. While over the eastern half of the country, you can see a main level of a little bit of rain moving across the eastern half, then nice over the New England area. Now, as far as this snowfall is concerned, there's your heavy snow expected all the way from parts of New Mexico all the way up through Colorado into Kansas and Wyoming and even Nebraska. So it's going to be a wild night there. And it's all being brought in by the jet stream. Once again, you see the jet stream roaring across the Rockies, taking a dive down to the south and then roaring back up again across the New England area, and snow showers expected there. Well, it's time once again for our kids' weather, and this week we have a new class to talk with, Nordale Elementary School. And tonight, a young lady here with an exciting story about Hurricane Katrina.
Here's my weather story. Hurricane Katrina. The week before, it was nice and sunny outside. The waves on the beach were splashing. The nice thin air was blowing. All of a sudden that night, it was storming, lightning, and thundering. They called it Hurricane Katrina. The streets in Gulfport, Mississippi were flooded at my house. The winds were incredibly strong. Even though I was really young, the story still passes on because it was an important event in my life.
And thank you very much, Amber, and thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. Tomorrow night, another young lady will be here with a picture of lightning that she drew. And our forecast for, first of all, for the northern sections of Alaska tomorrow, isolated showers in Barrow, partly cloudy skies for Nome, snow showers at Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at mostly cloudy skies, just some isolated snow showers off and on across the entire region. Over the southeastern sections, snow showers for Juneau, rain and snow showers in Ketchikan. While out to the southwest, it looks like rain and snow for Cold Bay, snow showers at Bethel, and windy conditions in Kodiak up to 35 miles an hour. And down around the Anchorage Bowl, well, mostly sunny skies for Anchorage and Homer, warmer than it was today, partly cloudy skies for Valdez. And our forecast for the remainder of the night, again looking at the air quality index, once again is stage 1 moderate for the Fairbanks area, and stage 2 unhealthy for sensitive groups for North Pole, so keep that in mind. Our forecast is calling for once again a very cold, frigid night, cloudy and cold with isolated snow showers, 21 below. Tomorrow's forecast 11 below, and patchy fog in the morning, keep that in mind. And the 5-day outlook, temperatures trying to rebound a little bit by Thursday and Friday. Off and on periods of light snow throughout the entire period. No real heavy activity expected. Overnight lows will once again be very chilly, down to the mid-20s to lower 20s below zero across the 5-day period. So